Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be really exciting. I'm going to take you inside the computer and I'm going to break down a pretty simple strategy for actually creating a passive income stream. Now, this strategy is one that I'm using right now. It's pretty risk-free and it's pretty low-hanging fruit. So as we can see here, the first thing that's important is you have to partner with the right program. You can see some of my earnings over the past couple of days here. Over the last 7 days, we're averaging about $170 a day. Over the last month, about $190 a day. And what you're going to see about this is pretty much passive. This will scale up over time, but the bottom line is once the system is set up, it really doesn't take a whole lot of work. So that's the key here. That's really kind of the holy grail of this whole make money online thing, is when you can set up systems that work pretty passively. And what you're going to see here is this is mostly organic traffic. It takes me about 2 minutes a day to upkeep this. And I'm running about $10 per day in ad spend, and I don't even have to worry about those ads. I just set it and forget it. So that's what I want to do. I want to just kind of really quickly take you through this whole system and show you how everything works. So the first thing that is the key to the whole system here is this YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube channel that you're watching right now, and this was created specifically for promoting the Legendary Marketer program. All right. Even though I have another YouTube channel, I wanted to start this specifically for the purposes of creating this passive income stream. Now, the cool thing about this is you don't have to become a YouTuber. You just have to create a foundation of video content that essentially pre-sells the opportunity or the offer, right? And some people might be looking at this and thinking, oh man, this looks like a lot of work, right? But that's the thing, like this is about as easy as it gets. Yeah, it's going to take some setup up front, but this really is about as easy as it gets to make money. So, if you're not willing to do this, then you're going to have, a long bout with harsh reality of failure, because you have to create something, right? So basically what I do here is I create, 20, 30 videos here. You can probably get away with doing 15 or 20 if you want to. And basically I'm just taking different angles to basically teach, educate, and also show the opportunity that is, Legendary Marketer here. So this content stays here, and once again, it's pretty much pre-selling the offer. Now, all of these videos are pretty much going to point to the same spot, right? There's going to be links in the description of these videos, and that's going to take people over to my 15-day challenge, which is my website that talks about learning high-ticket affiliate marketing, because that's what Legendary Marketer is. It teaches high-ticket affiliate marketing. So the purpose of this page is to, once again, just introduce myself and pre-sell the opportunity, and obviously also to collect the email. So what I'm going to do here going forward is I'm going to create a system that basically creates omnipresence automatically. Basically what that means is I'm going to continue to show up in front of prospects showing the same opportunity, and that's going to keep me fresh in the prospect's mind. And then it becomes a matter of not if they're going to buy into the program, it's when they buy into the program. So what I do is I go ahead and collect the email, and this takes the lead over to a bridge page, which just talks about the opportunity to work with the 8-figure marketer Dave Sharp and learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, because that's what we're promoting here. So this is just like a 2-3 minute video that talks more about the opportunity and why you want to partner with this affiliate program. And I basically say, something like, I've been doing this for 8 years, and this is the best affiliate program I've ever worked with, I guess, partnered with. So it's kind of, once again, pre-selling and introducing the opportunity. I have some testimonials on here as well. But basically, when they hit this button, they're going to be taken over to the sales page, which is the sales page for the affiliate program, which now has my affiliate ID. So people are going to watch this video sales letter, and when they get started, they're going to buy into the Business Builder Challenge, because that's the first step of promoting Legendary Marketer. It only costs $7, but what's going to happen is they're going to enter the system, and then Legendary Marketer will offer a series of upsells. Now, this upsells are going to be more advanced training, like, for instance, how to create omnipresence. So the cool thing here is Legendary Marketer is going to teach you how to market their products if you invest in the system, if you go in and actually do the work, if you go through the challenges and meet with your advisors and stuff like that. I mean, that is part of the process as well. But what you're going to learn is you're going to learn copywriting and all that stuff. Then you can go ahead and make the recommendation to the audience that you build. So The key here with the YouTube channel is we're creating the content that pre-sells the opportunity, right? Gets people into the list. But the thing is we don't have to worry about growing a YouTube channel, because growing a YouTube channel is hard. What we do is we actually use TikTok, and I'll throw a screenshot up there of the TikTok channel that I created just for this passive income stream. And all I do is create like 2 videos a day. That's where the 2 minutes per day of work come into play. And what I do is I refer people either to this YouTube channel or over to the 15-day challenge homepage, which once again is my website that collects the emails, which looks like this, okay? So really all the traffic is essentially originating on TikTok. And the cool thing about TikTok is you can create a brand new channel in like 15-second videos, and you can reach tens of thousands of people, right? So that's why this is pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty beginner friendly. But then there's going to be the follow-up sequence, and really that's where all the sales are made. See, a lot of affiliate marketers, when they're just getting started, they do all this, right? They create the YouTube videos, they drive the traffic with TikTok or whatever, and they don't make nearly as many sales, right? And the reason is because the money's in the follow-up, right? Most people aren't going to buy the first time they see an opportunity. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to create that omnipresence. I'm going to follow up 3 different ways with them. The first way I'm going to follow up with them is with Google Ads. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to advertise on YouTube. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to create a short, like 2-minute, 3-minute video, whatever. This one, I actually extended that a little bit longer because I incorporated testimonials for Legendary Marketer. Basically what I do is I spend $5 a day on this ad, and I retarget people who have watched a video on YouTube. So they're going to watch one video on YouTube. Now, every time they go on YouTube, they're going to see my ad that talks about Legendary Marketer, and that sends them over to a page that looks like this. And really, this is just another page that is on my website that really is modeled after the video sales page for Legendary Marketer. And of course, when they click on this button, they're going to be taken over to the checkout page for the Business Builder Challenge, which is once again the $7 program. That's the first step in promoting Legendary Marketer, right? So I'm just going to send them out to this over and over and over again. So I don't really have to worry about this ad spend. I can't really scale up because I'm only retargeting to people who come to YouTube to begin with. Over time, I can increase the budget to $10. But what you're going to see here is you're getting impressions. We're staying relevant in the prospect's mind. It cost me basically nothing to get 72 impressions already today. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, right? 21 engagements. People are watching this video. I've got 1 click so far, $1.82 per click. Now that didn't translate into a sale, but you can see here we're only spending $5 a day here, and we're making 100, 180 on average. So obviously this is worth the investment. Also, I'm going to do the same thing on Facebook, and I'll have a different ad. It's like a 3-minute video talking about the benefits of working with Legendary Marketer. I run this ad on Facebook, and all this does is basically this serves the ad to anyone who has visited my website, right? So if they've either watched my YouTube channel or they visited my website, they're going to constantly see my face, and they're going to see my face talking about Legendary Marketer. And this ad on Facebook, of course, refers people back to this sales page, which looks just like this, which includes my affiliate link to the Business Builder Challenge, which is only $7, which is the first step of promoting Legendary Marketer, right? And then, of course, I'm going to follow up with email as well. So what I'll have is an automated sequence that sends, 20 days worth of emails or 30 days worth of emails, whatever, right? So what you're going to see here is a lot of times at any current day, there's 50, 40, 60, 45 people. So basically what I'm doing is we're generating about 50 leads a day using TikTok, right? So if I have a 20-day sequence, and now if I only have 50 emails a day, right, because I'm generating 50 leads, that's only 50 impressions. But since I have a 20-day email sequence, so what I can do is I can actually take those 50 leads a day that I'm generating now, multiply that 20 days, because I'm going to send an email every day for 20 days. That means I'm sending 1,000 emails a day. So even if no one, almost no one wants to buy, right, because they're busy or whatever, or they're skeptical, if I'm sending 1,000 emails a day, I'm going to generate some sales every day. So that's how we create the omnipresence, right? We're bringing them in through the low-hanging fruit of TikTok, but then we're hitting them on YouTube, Facebook ads, in the email, and then, of course, on the channel organically as well. And, of course, we're going to create content on Facebook that may hit them as well. And the reason this all works out is because if we look at the affiliate marketer commission payout chart for Legendary Marketer, right, what you're going to see here is there's that $7 Business Builder Challenge, which is the first step. And that's going to earn some commissions for you. But what happens here is there's back-end commissions too. And these high-ticket back-end commissions, right, $598, $1,000, $1,000, $1,350, $2,850, those high-ticket affiliate commissions on the back end are what are going to earn you, you know, it's going to increase the amount of money you're making, basically. Because as you can see here, today we haven't made anything yet. Yesterday we only made $77. But over time, because of those high-ticket back-end commissions, we're averaging about $180 a day right now. So, and obviously, as time goes on, as we get more people into the workflow, as our TikTok grows, as we get more people who have visited our website and our YouTube channel that we can consistently retarget, this is going to scale up. And hopefully the idea here is using this simple strategy, doing nothing more than creating one YouTube video every couple weeks and doing the 2 to 3 TikToks a day that take about 2 minutes. And continually running the $5 a day in Facebook ads and scaling up to $10 a day if it makes sense. Basically, what we're going to do is hopefully get this up to about 10 grand a month, just once again, by creating TikTok videos. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to get started, just go to brianbrewer.com/legendary. It'll take you over to the Business Builder Challenge. Once again, there is a $7 investment, but it's kind of part of the process, right? We're building a pretty easy to run passive income business. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Check out some of the other videos on this channel, and you're gonna learn more about the affiliate marketing process. If you have any questions, just let me know. But I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you later. Bye.